done. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Welcome to the channel. If you watched my last video, I made a couple of hooks. I knocked these edges down, formed this into a little ball, flattened this end out so I had some room to drill some holes to mount to the wall, and then just bent a hook. And one day I filmed all that. I downloaded some video editing software, made the video, and posted it. It was my very first YouTube video. Wasn't very happy with the video. I almost scrapped it all and started over, but I figured, you know what, I spent a couple hours setting the cameras up and videotaping all this and then editing it and everything, so I just went ahead and posted it. So future video I'm going to have coming up, I built a redwood box to hold an ice chest, so I can have an ice chest out on my patio in my backyard that looks nicer than a plastic ice chest. In the process of making these handles for it, they will go on the sides of the chest. This is the back plates, and then I made these handles here, and they will attach with these pieces here. They will go on here through these slots, and that'll hold it on. And then when you lift the handle up, these little tabs right here will hit against the back plate and help you to lift the chest. I also wanted to share some other things we'll have coming up. I do a lot of woodworking projects. I do blacksmithing projects. One of the things I recently made is this rack right here. Real simple build to hold. This is mostly to hold tongs and Hardy tools. I'm going to build another rack down here for hammers down below. That's what I cut all these rings here out of 1.5 inch black pipe for to hold hammers. I got about halfway done with this rack, and then I thought I should be filming this. This would be a perfect little quick project to put up on YouTube, but I was already over halfway done with it, and it just seemed a little pointless to film half a project, so I didn't do it. Threw it together, put it up there, that's it. The hammer rack I will film. It's going to be a lot of welding all those rings together and mounting it to the wall somehow, probably on a piece of wood or something. I got a lot of stuff in this shop that could have been YouTube videos. I have my outfeed table / workbench, which is behind the camera right now. I got some flip carts that tools are on. I have some rolling carts, tools are on. I have a workbench / desk area that's also over there behind the camera. I'm doing my dust collection, my glue / sanding station that hangs on my French cleat wall. Tool holders for my angle grinder, circular saw, screwdrivers, chisels, all those little things that all hang on a couple small French cleat walls I have over here. And of course, building my forge, which I made out of an old propane tank. I know there's 100 videos on YouTube about all this stuff already, but when I want to make my flip cart, I probably watched 30 different videos on flip carts till I finally found one, a design that I really liked. I'll talk about the one I used. I'll give a shout out to the guy who created it. I actually bought his plans. It's the first time I ever bought plans from anybody. Usually I just watch the video and I can pretty much figure out how to build something by watching the video and watching the process. But this particular flip cart, I was really impressed with the design. The guy that created it obviously put a lot of time and effort into it, and he had plans available. They were very reasonably priced, so I went ahead and supported him by buying those plans. And they did actually help out in building the cart. And I actually built 2 of them, because when you have a small shop, I'm working out of a 2-car garage, anything that can save you space and make you more efficient is very helpful. Just generally being more organized makes you more efficient, makes it more fun to come out in the shop and work. It's a more pleasant place to be and to work in. So anyways, that's kind of the direction this channel is going to go. I'm going to just keep doing projects like I've always done. The only difference is I'm going to film them and share them on YouTube. Check out the description below. I'll put a link in there to Fisher Shop, which is where I got the design for the flip cart I built. So I have a lot more content coming. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. and I'll catch you on the next one.